Hello there, I'm the face behind the camera. Welcome to my stamping and crafting room where I live in the comforts of the state of Vermont. My name is Sharon McNall. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin Up, and my business name is called Inspired by Graham, and that is named after my grandmother who inspired me to craft at a very young age. Many of you follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel for craft fair designs and projects and my simple stamping and card making. If this is your first time listening in, welcome. I really try hard to make projects that you would also like to make. I also enjoy reading your comments and replying to them as well. I'm also a team leader of 9 amazing Stampin' Up! Demonstrators and who are members of the Inspired Daisies team of stampers. We come from all over the United States. More specifically, I have made stamping friendships with people from Washington, Oregon, Texas, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New Hampshire, and Vermont. They all keep me on my toes, which I really appreciate, and I really enjoy leading our team and helping them out along their way in their own journey with Stampin' Up! So my purpose for you today is to come on here to my channel and to let you know about this amazing offer that Stampin' Up! is offering. So for the month of May 2021, so May 1st to the 31st, you can purchase the starter kit for $99 plus your local tax if applicable. So what you also receive is another $56 worth of product. So a total of $155 for $99 in product. You also receive the amazing free shipping, which is awesome. Another freebie that's included is a past paper pumpkin kit. So Stampin' Up! Also will be throwing in some free business products and supplies for you. So if you'd like to turn your hobby into a business, they have you all prepared. So if you have a shopping list or a wish list, or you already have that list started, or perhaps you actually need to start a list, I really want you to consider purchasing the starter kit. Once you purchase the starter kit for $99, your future orders receive a minimum of 20% off the products. So for example, if you want to purchase the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and that's our die cutting machine and embossing machine, that retails for $120. Your price is $96 and you save $24. That's just one example. So if you would like to save even more, you can always check out the clearance rack. Those items are hugely discounted. And that's kind of where I started as a demonstrator. I'd purchase some of the items that I kind of knew I needed, and then I would hit up the clearance rack because there's some amazing deals in there. So let me explain the starter kit. A lot of people think it's something different, something else. They think that you need to be a demonstrator that blogs, that makes videos, that has stamping parties, that has workshops, clubs, whatever. I want you to know that it's not really all that. For me, I do blog. I just blog just a couple times a month just to market my monthly card club and the classes that I offer. I do videos because, well, you see me here today, and I have instructional classes and a monthly card club, but that's all my choice. That's my choice. I used to be a hobby demonstrator where all I did was purchase products and save the 20% because I wanted to save money. It's kind of like a no-brainer if you ask me. It's really important that I come on here to share that information with you and the starter kit. So you also receive the benefits of future stampers like yourself, and that we get to collaborate and stamp together on the Inspired Daisies team. And you also still receive the 20% discount. I'm definitely looking to grow the Inspired Daisies team. And I hope you will join our team today. I need people like you to collaborate with and stamp together and share the joy of crafting and creating. my team members just brighten up my day whenever they share and collaborate and talk to one another. It's just a great group of ladies there. So they're also, talk about my customers. So there are some customers out there of mine that when I see your order come through, I say to myself every single time, you should be benefiting from the starter kit and saving 20% off your future orders. Sure, I would love to keep you on as a customer, but when I see that you're consistently ordering and you could be saving 20% over time, that really does add up. So if you need help with your starter kit and you want to know what you should or have in it, I'll show you a few items that I kind of pulled out for you that I think would benefit a beginner stamper. Now, every one of us has different things in their craft room. You can see behind me what I have. That didn't just happen overnight. That's been 9 years of maintaining and creating a inventory for my use. A lot of it, like my desk and my designer series paper rack, my dad made that. My ink pad holder, well, my father made that. So it's great to have that in my craft room, but that's been 9 years. So I'm gonna show you some products that I think a beginner stamper would want in their craft room. I know I would want them. So I thought I'd give you a couple examples. If you struggle with putting together your starter kit, I would love to help you shop. So I'm really good about that. So let me just show you a few things that I think should be maybe a staple in your craft room. So we'll start right at the top with that pretty awesome paper, the designer series paper that Stampin' Up has to offer. So some new paper is called Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. I'll bring it really close to the camera here. So lots of nice greens and like the Blackberry Bliss is in there. Those are my favorite colors. You guys know that. You also know that I love nature and trees and etc. So the Beauty of the Earth Designer Series paper is fabulous. Cardstock. You guys know I use basic white and vanilla for my card bases. Basic white I use like 90% of the time, and very vanilla I use about 10% of the time, mostly around Thanksgiving and also Christmas. A stamp set that I would recommend is called Peaceful Moments. This is a carryover from last year's catalog, so I love that. It's just got like happy birthday, sympathy, thank you, happiness, congrats. So it's a good overall sentiment stamp set only. So there's no images like flowers or anything like that, and it's just sentiments only. You guys know I love the medium daisy punch, so that's another nice little addition to your craft room. Stampin' Dimensionals, I use those all the time on my cards and my 3D craft room or craft projects. Basic rhinestone jewels are great because you can use them as is, or you can color them in with Stampin' Blends or a Sharpie marker as well. They're both alcohol based, and you can change up the color just by adding a little bit of ink that way. Some favorite ink colors are mine are called Blackberry Bliss, Mossy Meadow, so kind of earth tones. A nice little addition to the catalog this year is called Baker's Twine Essentials Pack. So this is linen thread, and it comes in 5 different colors this time. So it's keeping the standard linen thread, that color that we've had, but then we're adding in some other kind of tones as well. So black, a vanilla, a white, and kind of like a crumb cake color, and then your standard brownish linen thread. I would recommend maybe a D block. This is a size D, clear block D. It's my most favorite and used in my craft room. And then finally, probably some, you'll need adhesive. I would use Stampin' CL Plus because that adhesive is great to use in like for card making and also 3D projects as well. Let me get 2 more items or maybe 3. So I use these quite a bit. You see me use them. Multi-purpose liquid glue is a nice little addition. Take your pick tool, a nice little tool to pick up embellishments, And we can't not forget the Stampin' paper snips. So love these, they're super sharp. So those are just a few items that I love to be able to, to suggest for you. So to recap, so from May 1st to the 31st, you can order the starter kit with me. And to order that, you would go to inspiredbygraham.com, hit the join now button, and then it'll bring you to the website to join. And you can join the Inspired Daisies team. And that's just for $99 to recap. So, and then you get the $56 for free worth of products. And don't forget to add on your local sales tax if you have that in your area. So another thing that you would receive is that free past paper pumpkin kit, some business supplies, and also the amazing free shipping too, because we all know shipping costs quite a bit these days. So whenever you can get free shipping, you need to take advantage of it. So I really hope you consider joining the Stampin' Up and becoming a member of the Inspired Daisies team. I would love to be able to collaborate with you and introduce you to our team of stampers. It's really not that scary. It really isn't. Again, my website to join is called inspiredbygraham.com. That's it for now. Happy stamping and creating. Be well. Take care.